Come on.
On 101, X-ray visible.
Go ahead.
I have some room if I need to head your way.
Okay, she's about 25 to 30 feet out here on the ice. We got a piece of pipe we're going to try to get you.
All right. Let's see.
Okay. I'll be around long enough, I think.
Sergeant,
Okay.
nice is.
Well, come on, girl. Come on. I just don't want anybody falling through. Come on. It seems pretty solid. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Little more. Come on. Come on.
How deep do you think this is?
I don't know. There's a barrel over there. Well, no, that's just the top of a barrel. Well, I'll put it this way. If it goes crack, here, let's do this. Let me come out here. And if this thing goes crack, I'll slide it around. You all pull me out. We're helping. We're trying to help you. Come on, girl. Okay.
That'd be a good Facebook video.
I was more worried about him getting me.
Hang on, Mama.
Got you, Mom.
Back up, Mom. Hold on.
Just trying to get your baby out there.
Watch her.
Get up.